Just after Thanksgiving 2001, hunters in the South expected mild weather, quiet woods, perfect conditions. Instead, over 60 tornadoes ripped through 9 states. Some areas were hit before sunrise, when most hunters were already in place with no great way to see the impending weather. Entire towns were destroyed. Dozens were injured. 11 people lost their lives. If there's potential for severe weather, just stay home. The trophy can wait. Hunt smart. Use RadarOmega.